we wanted to talk about the workflows looking ahead at the Product Design Collection. So as Autodesk continues the transition to a subscription-only business, we remain committed to providing value to our customers with new, flexible, and simple ways to use and manage Autodesk software. Yesterday, August 1st, Autodesk started delivering on this commitment by introducing Autodesk Industry Collections, the most convenient and flexible way to access a wide selection of the most essential Autodesk software used in your industry, all in a single collection that will evolve and get better over time. Autodesk will offer 3 industry collections: Architecture, Engineering, and Construction Collection, Media and Entertainment Collection, and Product Design Collection. Industry collections provide value that well exceeds the premium suites at a very competitive price point. They offer greater flexibility and choice with both single user access and multi-user access subscriptions and multiple term lengths to fit your business needs. This includes monthly, quarterly, annual, and multi-year. The simplicity of the offering, with 1 collection per industry versus 20+ suites and tiers to choose from, makes the decision to purchase process much easier. So now diving in and taking a look at a comparison between what the current suites have to offer and what the collections will offer. Basically, what Autodesk has done is taken the top tier software of, in our particular case today, we're looking at just Product Design Collection. They've taken the top tier software and combined them together to enable access to all the best design tools in your industry. And this comes out of both Factory Design Suite and Product Design Suite. And this gives you the ability to not have to select between 2 suites, or to select an additional suite to get a functionality, or to have to compromise based on cost. So taking a look at what's been combined, the top tier software that's been combined, we'll take a look at these. And the first thing you'll notice is that Inventor Pro is brought over to the Product Design Collection, along with AutoCAD and AutoCAD Electrical. These 3 form the core of the Product Design Collection. So users now have access to all the functionality of Inventor Pro, which would include your wire harness design, finite element analysis, and other tools that weren't available to the regular Inventor. So now all users have access to the Inventor Pro. And the companion to that is the AutoCAD Electrical, which has a great integration with Inventor and allows users to be able to complete some very complex electromechanical designs with both of those packages. On the next series, we have AutoCAD Mechanical and AutoCAD Architecture, and the AutoCAD Architecture comes across from the Factory Design Suite, as well as the Autodesk Vault Basic. So you can see that we have all the flavors, basically, of AutoCAD that are ported over from both Product Design and Factory Design Suite. And in the third grouping here, we have Navisworks Manage and the Factory Utilities and 3ds Max. So you can look and you can see here that this is the top tier of all the software of the 4 different packages: Product Design Suite Premium and Ultimate, and Factory Design Suite Premium and Ultimate. And as far as the cloud benefits are concerned, again, the top tier cloud benefits are ported over. So we have A360 Team, we have rendering in A360, Fusion 360, and Recap Pro 360. And then they've also added one for us, and that's the AutoCAD 360 Pro. So, and what this has given us is simplified packaging. So going from what you would traditionally see as 4 different offerings and being able to choose between those, you now have a simpler offering, the top tier software at a competitive price. So you can take advantage of significant cost savings when purchasing multiple Autodesk software solutions as part of a collection. You can stay ahead of changing business needs with access to a wide selection of the most essential Autodesk software used in your industry, while enjoying a steady stream of new releases and product enhancements for improved workflows. Reduce operational costs, IT and procurement spend, by standardizing on a collection of technology flexible enough to suit the needs of a majority of your users. And now looking at benefits for IT managers. You can streamline your deployment and software management with a standardized collection of Autodesk products and services. So, no more you're going to have to worry about, all the different suites that you might have had. You can just have the one design collection and streamline that deployment. Also, eliminate additional paperwork and unnecessary procurement cycles by selecting a collection that includes all the technology your users will need now and in the future. And finally, take advantage of significant cost savings when purchasing multiple Autodesk software solutions as part of a collection, giving your users access to more technology while reducing IT costs.
So now you may ask yourself, why industry collections? Well, one of the things is, of course, you get more software for your money, but you may wonder, well, we don't necessarily need all that software. The point of collections is to make available to you anytime you are ready to extend the things that you want to do within your organization. The software is readily available to you. In the past, we have done sat down with clients, gone through what we call user matrix functionality. So we had to outline what each user would use and then map the proper products to them. So this is no longer necessary. Now everyone has everything. It has the complete top tier offering of every product available to the manufacturing sector. So now you don't have to say, well, we would like to have electrical, but we don't need Ultimate for any other reason, and we may not use electrical. Now you simply have it. Same with Inventor versus Inventor Professional. You just simply have it. Also, Navisworks Manage. Oftentimes, if you were in the premium suite in our previous offerings, you had Navisworks Simulate, but you may have wanted Navisworks Manage. So now that is included in the collection. So a much greater value, and what this allows is continuous improvement and expansion within your workflows, within your unique organization. Also, we often look forward to one major release of software every year. If you've been in the Autodesk community anytime, you know that release comes between the March and April timeframe. Now we're going to see continuous improvements just throughout. And so this will be completely communicated to you where improvements have been made, and you have a self-serve availability choice to decide when is the best time for you to move to that improved product based on the particular functionality that Autodesk has continued to offer. Dave, would you like to tell us about cloud credits?
Yeah, and I'd like to just follow up with what you were talking about, continuous improvement. If any of you are familiar with the cloud services such as Fusion 360, Fusion 360 is on a 6-week development cycle. So every 6 weeks when you log in, it's going to download and update the Fusion 360 software. And I'm not saying that that's what the collections will be on as a 6-week, but the idea though is that they're going to be continuously updating and evolving things as opposed to that 1-year cycle. So that's I think a major improvement in the workflows for customers. Yeah, so for the cloud services, you get more cloud services. You'll have access to more that are currently available in the design and creation suites, giving you more opportunity to leverage the computing power of the cloud. In addition, when you subscribe to a collection with multi-user access, you'll be able to grant shared access to cloud services, whereas with suites, you're limited to a single named user per cloud service. So that's a benefit there, is the fact that you can now do multi-user access for your cloud services. As far as the next section, greater flexibility and choice. Subscriptions to industry collections will be available with single user and multi-user access, and you will also have a choice of different term lengths, which will give you greater flexibility to choose the option that best fits your business needs. So with the multi-user access, one of the ways that works is the same way that network licenses work now. So the FlexLM license manager is installed. The license that you receive is for the multi-user access is now has a term limit on there. So based on the terms that you buy, that's how the license file works. So in comparison, today, your subscriptions to design and creation suites are available only for single user access.